Hello friends, today we are going to study determiners.